Hey guys, Brennan back here again with another devlog update. Unfortunately, a lot of my video from the week has been corrupted and I do no longer have it. So I'm just going to record this and show you guys the small stuff that I did this week. I didn't have much time to do much, so there's not very much to show, so it's going to be a pretty short video. But the first thing that I added was just like how we had the UI down here for when you would pick up certain passive abilities. I now have it that your current weapon is up here, so you can see what the damage it does and the description and all that, and same with your current ability. Still need to do the art for the abilities and such, but that's what we have changed for up here. Secondly, as you can see down here, there's just orange object. It's still needs a sprite, but it's going to be the lava. For some reason we can't jump. I was working on the jumping as I got a few comments regarding the players seeming kind of floaty. But pretty much the lava down here, once you get to a certain point here, you'll activate it and it'll slowly go up. It'll also destroy anything it touches. It'll stop at 2 rooms before the boss, so you have a little bit of leeway. However, it will also destroy your player if you get too deep into it. So it'll slowly rise up. The final thing I worked on was I wanted to have more hazards in the game other than just the floor spikes. So I started working on in the Mario games where they have the like rotating spinning fireball thing. So I just came up with a quick little sketch of what it's gonna look like, just like that. It still obviously needs all the art put in for it, but you can hit it, it'll damage you, and I'll have them randomly spawn around the dungeon, so they'll most likely be in between platforms or on like in between here on platforms or where it's at right now, just to give the game a little bit more randomness to it. Other than that, the only other thing I looked into was fixing the bubble shield collider. I noticed sometimes when you get hit, even with the shield, you still take damage. So that's been worked on. Pretty much all it does is it has like a small 2-second delay, or 0.2 second delay from after it pops before you can take damage again, which should, as you can see here, the first one we don't get hit, but it does pop the bubble. And other than that, that's pretty much all that I had time to work on this week. So again, I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts on any of the new stuff or any of the current stuff that you see. If there's any changes you guys think should be made or anything you want added to the game, I'm more than welcome, more than willing to take some feedback and make some changes. But other than that, that's all I really have. And then I guess I'll just show you guys what the Trello board looks like. So this is the stuff that I'm planning on doing. Some of this is questionable, like what happens when the enemies dies. Right now I kind of just like the corpse, but maybe we'll have some sort of like fizzling effect or something. I don't know if I want to add knockback to them as well. There are secret rooms in the game, but I need to add some animation so when you break down the wall it appears. Sounds are something I want to start working on. It's not really in my wheelhouse, but I'm definitely going to try to learn. Stuff that are in progress is making pretty much the ability sprites. The fireball needs a sprite. Still need to work on the player colliders. There seems to still be some, if you get hit at the wrong angle, it like doubles the knockback, so sometimes you get some weird flying stuff. I want to work on some sort of stationary enemy that has high health, but it obviously doesn't move. Fire, I don't know, fire bullets. This is everything that's been done so far. Just some changes that have been made, and then it's just some ideas for items for this first floor. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys next week.